Well, I was trying to get a good coat of glue on it, a good coat of epoxy, and while I was doing that, it snapped the rest of the way off, so I was able to get a really good coat of glue on it. Now I got her propped up. I think it's pretty good, pretty straight, pretty tight. Got propped up. Kind of want to stabilize it, get it in place, and then go back with a die grinder with a sanding disc, kind of feather out, take down the glue joint, feather it out each way a little bit, so I can put some fiberglass, a couple of strips of fiberglass in there, and fiberglass it up to add some strength. But what I'm really concerned with is that the rest of this thing and over there is similarly brittle, and while I work on it, may end up breaking or something. I hope that's not the case, but we'll see. Doing the best I can. We'll see how it goes. I'll report back as I move along. See ya.